Good afternoon. How are you doing today? Well, it's been a while. It's been only 2 days since the last time I posted a new video, and today we're going to talk about something really useful if you like stories. Do you like stories? I do. I'm not the best storyteller, but I love listening to good stories. So, based on what we talked about last week, the past simple today, right, with the ed regular endings or the irregular endings, right? Today we're going to see the past continuous. Yeah? And the past continuous, as you may know already, is used with the verb to be in the past plus the main verb with an ing ending. So the past continuous is often used at the beginning of stories to set the scene, to tell what was happening at a specific time in the past. So actually, I like to think of the past continuous as a progressive action. So there, it shows me that there was an action going on, right? For example, we were having lunch in the garden when we heard someone at the door. Yeah? So here you've got your past continuous tense, right? To describe that this action was going on, right? Was going on. And I could give you so many examples to contextualize the past continuous. I was living in New York when the Twin Towers were attacked. So I was living in New York, that was going on. I was living in New York. This is the context, and that's why I'm using this tense, the past continuous. New York when the Twin Towers were attacked. So the reason why I'm telling you if you liked stories is because in the B1 exam, this is an exam tip, you may have to retell a story in the past. So it would be really nice that you show how typically the past continuous shows an action in progress which is typically interrupted by a completed action. So that means an action in the past simple tense. So we heard. I was living in New York when the Twin Towers were attacked. So, past simple. This is a passive, but it doesn't really matter. It shows a past simple, one event that interrupted the action that was going on, okay? Was going on. So there you go. This is the action that interrupted the other action in progress. So how do you show that? How do you show that knowledge? Sometimes you may use this word, when. Some other times you could also use while. Yeah? While and when. Not exactly in the same ways, but something to keep in mind to show a variety of tenses in your writing or in your speech. Well, I hope you can check file 2B, 2A would also be useful to get a better idea of how to and when to use these two tenses together. That's all for today. I hope this helped you.